Understanding the technical specifications for the DKR04.1. The rated power voltage of the DKR04.1-W400 is 3-phase 400 to 480 volts, plus or minus 10%. The system frequency range is 50 to 60 Hz. The control voltage is 230 volts AC, plus or minus 10%. The peak current of the drive is 282 amps. The drive controller power voltage is 0 to 380 volts. The DKR cools via built-in blower. The DKR weighs approximately 150 kilograms. The ambient temperature range is 5 to 45 degrees Celsius. The max installation elevation 1,000 meters above sea level. This product has a IP20 protection rating. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all DKR sales and replacements.